welcome to Eating Well with Chrystal. Today's recipe is about asparagus. Love it or hate it, there doesn't seem to be much gray area when it comes to asparagus. The lovers can easily whip up a baked asparagus with olive oil and parmesan cheese. The haters can't stand the strong scent in the bathroom after eating asparagus. But asparagus is one of the superfoods that can help you to lose more weight and lower your blood pressure, also maintain younger looking skin. Let's first look at the nutrition value of asparagus. Like most of the vegetables, asparagus is packed with fibers, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, it's a rich source of antioxidants. Additionally, asparagus is very low in fat and calories, compared to 1 cup of milk, which has 125 calories. 1 cup of asparagus only gives you 32 calories, which makes it a perfect choice for weight loss. The vitamin E asparagus contains helps strengthen your immune system and protect the cells from harmful effect of free radicals. To increase the frequency of eating asparagus is to cook it in various ways. I agree it is very tasty to bake asparagus with olive oil and Parmesan cheese, but today's recipe can provide some alternative to add more variety to your menu of healthy eating. Now let's get into it. The ingredient list includes 1 bunch of medium-sized asparagus, 1/2 inch long of ginger, and 1/4 of medium-sized red pepper, 1/2 piece of green onion, choose the white part. For the condiment, you need 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark and light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon chili oil and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. The first step is blanching the asparagus. Turn the heat on high, add water into the wok. Water should be enough to completely soak the asparagus in. Prepare the asparagus while waiting for the water to boil. Wash the asparagus thoroughly, cut off or break off the tough, white bottom and discard. When the water is boiling, put a few drops of oil into the water to help maintain the greenness and the freshness of asparagus. Then add the asparagus in the water for just 20 to 30 seconds to get rid of the raw, nutty taste, but keep the fresh and crunchy texture. Now drain the water and transfer the asparagus to a plate. Step 2. Prepare the dressing. Cut the red pepper, green onion, and ginger into thin strips and set aside. In the microwave-friendly bowl, mix all the condiments together: oyster sauce, light dark soy sauce, chili oil, and sugar. Soy sauce gives the dish a salty flavor. Oyster sauce and sugar add another layer of umami taste. Chili oil spice up the dish. Sprinkle the red pepper, green onion, and ginger strips on top of the asparagus plate. Red pepper pops the color of the dish. Ginger and onion help balance your body fluids and recover faster from stress. They are commonly used in Chinese medicine. You will see them heavily used in a lot of my healthy eating recipes. Heat the dressing mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now come to the step 3. Mix everything together. Pour the dressing mixture in the plate. The heat of the dressing will bring out more flavor from the red pepper, green onion, and ginger. Let the dressing sink in for a minute. Then garnish with some sprinkled sesame seeds on top. Now this dish is ready to serve. The fresh, crunchy texture mixed with the rich flavor from the dressing and enticing color from the red pepper. Use it as a daily healthy salad. Pair with some lean protein. You're doing great for your health and your weight. Like I always say, healthy eating can be very tasty. Tasty food can be super easy to make. This is how you eat healthy to lose weight and improve your health. Subscribe to my channel to get more healthy recipe video to eat well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.